There are places on Earth so dangerous that visiting them could cost you your life. From islands full of deadly snakes to boiling lakes and radioactive zones, these locations are not for tourists. Some are deadly because of nature. Others are dangerous because of extreme weather, toxic environments, or even isolated tribes. Today we explore 10 of the most dangerous places on Earth. Stay until the end, because number 1 is considered one of the most terrifying roads ever built. Death Valley in California is the hottest place ever recorded on Earth. In 1913, temperatures reached an unbelievable 134 degrees Fahrenheit. But the heat is only part of the danger. The valley is extremely dry, and dehydration can happen within hours. There are also sudden flash floods that can turn dry land into dangerous rivers within minutes. Despite the extreme conditions, some animals and plants have adapted to survive here, making Death Valley one of the most fascinating deserts in the world. Lake Natron in Tanzania looks beautiful from afar, but it hides a deadly secret. The water is extremely alkaline, with a pH level close to ammonia. Temperatures in the lake can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Animals that fall into the water can die quickly, and the minerals in the lake sometimes preserve their bodies, making them look like stone statues. However, one creature actually thrives here. Flamingos use this hostile lake as a breeding ground because predators avoid it. This island off the coast of Brazil is often called Snake Island. It is home to thousands of golden lancehead vipers, one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Scientists estimate there may be one snake per square meter in some areas, which constitutes nearly 100% of the snake population in this area. These snakes evolved in isolation, feeding mainly on birds, which makes the island a unique, almost single-species ecosystem. The venom of this snake can melt human tissue and cause internal bleeding. Because of the danger, the Brazilian government has banned visitors from entering the island. Only scientists are allowed to visit, and even they take extreme precautions. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this area has been linked to dozens of unexplained disappearances. Ships and airplanes have reportedly vanished without a trace. Scientists believe the causes may include powerful storms, methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor, or human navigation errors. Even today, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate and scare people around the world. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia is one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on the planet. Temperatures often exceed 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The landscape is filled with toxic gases, acidic pools, and colorful mineral formations created by volcanic activity. Some scientists describe it as the closest environment on Earth to another planet. Despite the extreme conditions, researchers study this region to understand how life might survive on Mars. North Sentinel Island is one of the most isolated places on Earth. It is home to the Sentinelese tribe, who have lived there for thousands of years, without contact with modern civilization. The tribe is known for aggressively defending their island. Helicopters flying overhead have been attacked with arrows. Because of this, the Indian government has declared the island off-limits to protect both visitors and the tribe. Very little is known about their culture or language. Mount Washington might look peaceful, but it holds a terrifying record. In 1934, wind speeds reached 231 miles per hour, the highest wind speed ever recorded on Earth at the time. The mountain also experiences sudden temperature drops and violent storms. Weather conditions can change in minutes, making it extremely dangerous for hikers. Even experienced climbers have been caught off guard by the brutal environment. Madidi National Park in Bolivia is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. But it is also incredibly dangerous. The rainforest is filled with venomous snakes, poisonous frogs, and insects carrying deadly diseases. Even touching certain plants can cause severe reactions. Scientists estimate that many species living here have not even been discovered yet. In 1986, a catastrophic nuclear accident occurred at the Chernobyl power plant. The explosion released massive amounts of radioactive material into the atmosphere. Entire cities were abandoned, including the famous ghost town of Pripyat. Today, the exclusion zone still has areas with dangerous radiation levels. Ironically, wildlife has returned and now thrives in the absence of humans. Known as the Death Road, this narrow mountain road in Bolivia is considered one of the most dangerous roads ever built. It stretches along steep cliffs with drops of over 2,000 feet. Before safety improvements were made, hundreds of people died here every year in accidents. Heavy rain, fog, and landslides make driving extremely dangerous. Our planet is full of incredible places, but some are simply too dangerous to explore. From deadly snakes to radioactive landscapes, these locations remind us how powerful and unpredictable nature can be. Which place surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating rankings and curiosities from around the world.